This video gives you an overview of the Advanced Sales Tax Framework for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. First, we'll provide an overview of our global tax engine. Next, we'll dive into the process workflow, data flow, and at the end, give you a brief demo. To effectively manage global sales tax operations, organizations require a solution with the flexibility to scale to support its worldwide footprint and mirror its distinctive corporate structure, as each tax type and tax rate can require unique and complex calculation rules. And when local tax regulations change, you'll want your tax engine to easily change accordingly without the need for any type of customization. The Advanced Sales Tax Framework covers 4 areas of sales tax: tax applicability, tax calculation, tax accounting, and tax settlement. Tax applicability is how a tax type, tax component, or tax rate is applied in a transactional scenario. Tax calculation determines the tax amount and tax distribution. Tax accounting covers the posting of the calculated tax amount. Tax settlement includes assessing the input and output taxes, tax adjustments, and tax payment or refund. Now, let's take a look at a typical process when using the Advanced Sales Tax Framework. First, download and install our app from Microsoft's App Source and use the out-of-the-box configuration and free trial period to assess if our solution meets your sales tax requirements. Next, upload any additional pre-configuration for the countries you do business with. You don't have to install all country configurations, as you can do this later when needed. You'll notice that maintenance is easy, and our sales tax calculation logic is straightforward and transparent. Once you're ready, it's time to create sales tax applied transactions. Watch how the fully automated sales tax calculation engine assesses the correct sales tax. And when it's time to submit your sales tax transactions, find reassurance in your sales tax reporting outcome. The Advanced Sales Tax Framework configuration set is responsible for defining how data is tracked, saved, and applied. Among the various elements included in your configuration set is the source document of your transaction, such as a sales order or invoice. For each source document, your configuration specifies the calculation and reporting logic, applicability, tax registration, and tax rate. The framework provides real-time results that adapt synchronously with any changes made in your source document. Additionally, the Advanced Sales Tax Framework includes access-defined controls that enable you to review, adjust, and prevent errors, allowing you to safely approve and post the transaction. Before discussing sales tax applied transactions, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the configuration set. This set consists of a generic section and a transactional component. The generic part establishes the rules that are enforced per entity. By enabling the Auto Sales Tax Group button, the program code of the Advanced Sales Tax Framework is activated. The error level selection filter helps to control the logic in case no appropriate configuration is found for the sales tax applied to a transaction. The Sales Tax Security Level filter selects the authorized user or users to adjust the applied sales tax. A similar selection filter exists for delivery terms. The Retrieve Sales Tax Group from origin for a return order ensures that the same sales tax as the original sales order is applied when a return order is generated. The No Departure Address filter determines the logic to be followed when no departure address is entered. The Retrieve Sales Tax Group from origin for a credit note retrieves the applied sales tax for the credit note from the original invoice. The Advanced Calculation Date type is used to comply with tax authorities' changing tax rules, ensuring that the applied sales tax rule falls within the time frame of the sales tax rule. This ensures that the correct sales tax is calculated and applied. The Advanced Sales Tax Framework configuration set is an extension of the standard in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. This set is based on sales tax rules defined by local tax authorities and global tax agreements. Therefore, it comes out of the box, making the implementation of the Advanced Sales Tax Framework swift and seamless for most organizations. The Sales Tax Group configuration set includes most of the sales tax logic and formulas. This group defines the sales tax jurisdiction, logic, and formula to be applied for related sales tax transactions. For instance, the displayed sales tax group for an entity in Germany defines the sales tax logic for a domestic transaction. The configuration is defined using the Destination and Departure-based tax tab, where the country region type is set as domestic. Notice that the sales tax logic for Helgoland, although it is an island belonging to Germany, does not follow the logic for domestic sales. The Setup tab displays 3 possible types of taxes that can be applied depending on the item or service sold. Furthermore, the Advanced Sales Tax Framework supports sales tax logic for countries like the USA and India, where sales tax is applied on county, city, district, or even zip code level. And last but not least, when sales tax authorities change their sales tax rules or rates, users don't have to manually correct the configuration. Instead, the latest configuration set, with the updated logic, is downloaded and installed in minutes. Let us examine how the Advanced Sales Tax Framework applies sales tax in a real transaction. In this scenario, we have created a sales order from Contoso, Germany to AdventureWorks, a customer in Italy. Contoso, Germany specializes in selling electronic products to businesses worldwide and has warehouses situated globally, which allows them to ship products quickly, efficiently, and cost-effective to their customers. Therefore, in most countries where Contoso owns a warehouse, they also have a tax registration number related to that warehouse. The sales representative of Contoso, Germany, has just recorded the sales order for AdventureWorks. As the ordered speakers are in stock at Contoso's warehouse in Italy, they will be shipped from the Italian warehouse. This necessitates that the related transaction registers not only the Italian tax registration number of AdventureWorks warehouse in Italy, but also the Italian tax registration number of Contoso's warehouse in Italy. It is worth noting that the Advanced Sales Tax Framework accurately records both tax IDs. Furthermore, even though the transaction is sold from Germany, it is delivered from an Italian warehouse to another Italian warehouse, and both the vendor and customer use an Italian tax registration number. Thus, the Italian sales tax rules apply, and the sales tax logic that should be implemented is a sale from Italy to Italy. Notice that the Advanced Sales Tax Framework applies the appropriate sales tax rule correctly. Consequently, when submitted, the submission report will be registered for the Italian sales tax ID with a tax rate of 22%. Companies that deliver globally frequently face these kinds of challenges. With the Advanced Sales Tax Framework, these companies can be confident that this kind of global challenges are handled correctly and effortlessly. The Advanced Sales Tax Framework effectively handles various, more complex scenarios, including direct deliveries and triangular transactions, such as intercompany direct deliveries. Our support team can provide personalized demonstrations for these and other complex scenarios. In the case where the ordered speakers are not available in Italy and must be shipped from the warehouse in Germany, the Advanced Sales Tax Framework automatically updates the departure address to reflect the change in warehouse, including the tax registration number associated with the new address. Furthermore, the framework updates the applicable sales tax rule to reflect a domestic to EU shipment. The end result is a cross-border transaction between states within the European Union. The Advanced Sales Tax Framework accurately applies no sales tax charge. In a scenario where the customer requests Contoso to deliver the speakers to their warehouse in Germany instead of their warehouse in Italy, the Advanced Sales Tax Framework automatically updates the sales tax ID to reflect the customer's German warehouse. As a result, the applied sales tax rule is adjusted to mirror a domestic delivery. Upon checking the calculated sales tax, we can see that the sales tax rate of 19% for Germany is applied. Thank you for watching. For more information about the Advanced Sales Tax Framework, call us at +31 20 226 0262 or contact our support team through support@quantumomegagroup.com.